Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our next topic, that is getting started with the Cypress. Okay, if you are not watched with my previous video that is called a Cypress UI automation for beginners, please go through that. You can able to understand what exactly this Cypress. Okay, the same thing I am going to explain in this video also for your reference, in case if you are watching this first time my YouTube channel and this playlist. Okay, and what is a Cypress? A Cypress is basically a open source. So open source tool is a open source tool. Anybody can able to use without paying. And in open source, what are the things we can able to get means a test, a runner we can able to get it, and if you want some dashboard and all we can able to get it some paid versions. Okay, some dashboard we require for some paid. Okay, all are working the just for testing purpose or learning purpose they can able to get it for free. Okay, and also that free purpose, that is dashboard, is basically it will run in the cloud environment. When you sign up with your email ID or GitHub email ID, and based upon that they will integrated with your project with the Cypress. Okay, cloud. In that, whenever you run by using command prompt, we can able to get it for taking. What is the advantage for the this dashboard? Means we can able to see for screenshots. Okay, and also we can able to see for recorded videos for each execution. Okay, each execution, that is a called dashboard. Okay, and if this is required for more security and all, we need to pay for that. The free of cost also we can able to see in that in my previous video, the last video which I in this video, when you see in the last moment, you can able to see my last video of previous playlist, that is called a dashboard. Okay, that dashboard you can able to see how it works and how we can able to configure and how we can able to run in our command prompt, and how we can able to get it for those things we can able to see there. Okay, and now here a default programming language is JavaScript. Okay, and here default browser Electro. Okay, and what are the browsers it's supporting? Supporting browsers, it's like a Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and we can able to Electro. Okay, these are the things it is supporting right now in the market. Okay, after that you can see that this Cypress basically it will run inside browser, and Selenium it will run for outside the browser. Okay, and what are the things we can able to do it about Cypress means we can able to do for automation for UI and API, both the things. Why UI and API means, why we can't means, this Cypress basically whenever you run with any URL, any web application by using a browser, that all the things we can able to do it for automation. Okay, and also it is supporting for Mocha. Mocha is the one, it is like a same for JUnit or TestNG. Similar format that we can able to use and we can create for test suite, and we can able to do it for very fast. Okay, what are the futures is basically it is having. A futures is nothing but we have for time travel. Time travel. This topic I will tell you when I am going to do for first test case. Okay. This topic what will happen whenever you execute one test case. After this completion of the test case, we need can able to check it for what all the steps it is executed, what all the steps are passed, any element is not visible or element is not presented in that application, what type of error we are getting, those things based upon that we can able to check it in a browser level. Okay, and also debuggability. Debuggability. Okay, why debuggability means it can able to debug very quickly whenever our test case is failed. We can able to identify by using our web application itself. Whenever it is run, then we can able to see what all the things are passed, what all the things are failed. Those things we can able to identify. And also it is a automatic waitings. Automatic waitings is nothing but in some other languages we can able to see implicitly, explicitly and fluent waits, right? The similar format of Cypress is having a default condition value, and we can able to based upon that we can able to solve a element visible issue. Okay, and also we have stubs. Okay, stubs and specs. Okay, and also clocks. Okay, this calls a stubs and specs. I'll explain you later how exactly it is they like. And best example, in case if you are not waiting, you can go through that my previous videos. You can get it for more on that. Traffic control. Traffic control means it is easy to manage for stubs and test edge scores without any invoking your server. Means without any invoking for the servers, we can able to do it by each. There are stub creation and you can do it for very quick of that. Okay, consistent result. Consistent result. Consistent result is nothing but we can able to once you run some test case. Okay, that test case you want to run for 1,000 times, then you can able to get it very middle of that some error. But when you use the Cypress, you can't able to get it. Okay, because it will give you every time constant result. And also screenshot, and also we can able to record video. Okay, this is another option it is presented, and also we can able to do it for here cross browser testing. Okay, these all the things we can able to get it. And also there are new topics or comes, and that will explain you when I'm going to do for dashboard. In the dashboard we can able to see whether what how we can able to achieve. This all about for my getting started with the Cypress. If you understand this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.